Hey everyone, if you want to clear cache and cookies in Vivaldi Browser in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove temporary data to fix errors and improve browsing speed. First, cache and cookies store website data to load pages faster, but over time they can cause errors, slow performance, or login issues. Start by opening Vivaldi. Click the Vivaldi menu in the top left corner of the browser. Now go to Tools, then click Settings. In Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Yeah, this is where browsing data controls are located. Click on Clear Browsing Data. This opens the window where you can remove cache and cookies. Now choose a time range. Yeah, select All Time for a full cleanup or Last Hour if you just want a quick fix. Make sure you select cookies and cached images and files. You can also clear browsing history if needed. Now click Clear Data. Yeah, Vivaldi will remove the selected files instantly. After clearing, restart Vivaldi. This ensures all changes take effect properly. Now open a few websites and check if loading speed and login issues are fixed. A common mistake is clearing only cache but not cookies when login problems occur. Yeah, both should usually be cleared together. For best performance, clear cache every few weeks and avoid storing unnecessary cookies from unknown sites. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to clear cache and cookies in Vivaldi Browser in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.